And today I'm trying to pick up Eddie's brother's Anvil. Show him the Anvil, dude. That's
aerial flying view.
Alright, so today I'm gonna try picking it up with all my might. So Eddie, go to that one thing over there. The what do you call it? The green one.
Green.
The one we were using for the towel.
The dolly.
Yeah.
AKA shrub.
Yeah. Alright, you guys ready? Oh crap! Your brother wasn't joking. That thing's heavy.
Put it down.
Woo! That thing is heavy.
Rowing it.
Alright, Eddie, you're gonna try now?
Stand at the van. The awesome Ford E350 van.
Alright. Go ahead.
You want to do it in Spanish?
I don't care.
Uno, dos, tres.
Woo! Look at that muscle man.
Come here, let me borrow your toe.
No. Alright, Eddie, put it down. So yeah, that's...
I think I did it better than you.
You probably did. So yeah, I'm Dover King Keth, and this is TW58, and we just lifted an Anvil. I'll see you guys later. Food?
It's easier in Minecraft.
Yes. Wait, Eddie?
Huh.
You got the honors. Now, you guys know my Fruit Dog shout at the end of my every video. I think I finally figured out how to blow Eddie away. Ready? Foos?